Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO T2 Pro, and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So fortunately, in this device we do not have to download and install any other third-party apps to virus scan our device because it has got a built-in option. So let's simply tap on iManager and then tap on Security Scan. As you can see, your device will scan itself, will scan all of the apps and the processes which are currently ongoing on this device, and it will check whether there are any kind of problems or viruses. As you can see, in my case, fortunately, everything is okay. So this is the first scenario you can meet, and the second one is that when your device will find something, so I don't know, some kind of problems or the malware, and of course it will inform you about that, and you will be able to take proper actions to get rid of the risk. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.